In this demo, we are going to see a very simple traffic sign detection and classification application. This application is built using TensorFlow, scikit-learn, along with a large image testing and training dataset consisting of a large number of traffic signs. The first step is to load these traffic signs, and each of them is associated with a serial number from 0 to 61. There are multiple images for each traffic sign, and each of them are of different lighting conditions and different perspectives. The next step is to normalize our training data. What we do here is we make sure that all images that we use for training are of equal size. So in this case, we reduce them all to a 32 cross 32 pixel size. Now our model is ready to be trained, and it iteratively tries to make predictions and improves itself until we have a well-trained model. Once the model has been trained, we use a random sample of images from our testing dataset to verify how accurately our model can predict traffic signs. As you can see, our model is 80% accurate, and the accuracy of this model can be improved by increasing the number of images in our training dataset.